We currently have 30 to 50 video cards in the shop here that needs to be fixed. It's overwhelming. And I'm the only person who is working on fixing those motherboards. I'm the only person who is micro soldering. I'm the only person who is fixing laptop motherboards. I'm the only person who is taking care of any micro soldering job. Big Boss handles everything else. My sister and my wife are the ones that handle front desk, customer support, emails, messages, voicemails, whatever the case may be. And my dad is the person who handles e-commerce, packaging, fulfillment, and all that stuff. I'm looking for at least 3 to 5 technicians that would be able to help out with the load. I'm looking for somebody who is familiar with fixing video cards, because we have a lot that we need to fix and we get a lot every single day. If you are that person, apply and you can start working tomorrow. I'm looking for a person who knows how to fix iPhone motherboards, MacBook motherboards, iMac motherboards. I'm looking for a person who can fix PC, laptop motherboards, Asus, HP, Dell, so on and so forth. If you are that person, you can apply. I posted a video once before, hiring, and I received a lot of comments that I'm not going to find that person that I'm looking for, who knows everything. I understand this now, and I'm not looking for a person who knows everything. If your specialty is video cards, you can apply. If your specialty is iPhones, and I'm talking on a component level, not changing screens or batteries, Big Boss can take care of that. I'm looking for a person who can fix motherboards. I'm looking for at least 3 to 5 technicians that would be able to help out with the load. And if you qualify, you can start working as soon as tomorrow. I mean, look at this. We have the video card that I'm working on right now. We have this one here. We have this one here, and this is the, it doesn't say, probably the 2080 or the 3080. We have the GeForce 1080 or 1030. We have this one, XFX. I do not know which one this is. We have this one. 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 And the list goes on and on and on and on. I still have some right here. This. We have a GeForce GTX 1070. We have a GeForce 2080. RX 580. And we have the 1080 Ti. And we have the 3060 Ti. I need major help with fixing those cards. If you are a person that works on video cards, please send an email as soon as possible and we'll take it from there. I also want to mention that we are looking for a front desk manager, just like what my wife and what my sister are doing. You would be taking care of walk-in customers, mail-ins. You would handle voicemails, emails, text messages, follow up with customers, organize the shop, organize the items that we need to work on. You need to let me know that today you're going to be working on this, 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 and this. This is expedited. This one the customer called, you need to work on it. So you would handle everything that deals with the shop. My sister and my wife are not working here at the same time. They are on and off. But I need a third person that would handle all that stuff. If you are that person and you live not too far away from here, you can apply and you can start working as soon as tomorrow. So that's it. I'm going to end it right here. Time to go home. Leave a comment if you have any questions and we'll do something else in the next video.